The Industrial Development Report, IDR, is UNIDO's flagship publication. It is a global analytical reference on world industrial production and examines key drivers for achieving inclusive and sustainable industrial development. The COVID-19 pandemic has had devastating effects on economies and societies. Building back better will require a forward-looking perspective. The IDR 2022 identifies 3 important megatrends that are reshaping industrial production. Firstly, a rapid increase in automation, digitalization, and other breakthroughs related to the 4th industrial revolution. For example, robot density has increased 4-fold in the last 20 years. Secondly, world industrial production is shifting towards the east. Asia has become a dominant industrial hub, and the continent's share in world manufacturing has increased 3-fold in the last 20 years. And lastly, awareness of the urgency of greening industrial production is growing, with some positive developments observed in the last 10 years, such as a drop in world industrial CO2 emissions intensity by 15%. The COVID-19 pandemic accelerated some of these megatrends. Firm-level data collected for the report show that 1 out of 5 firms introduced new equipment for automation to respond to the crisis. Asian firms are more inclined to reignite post-pandemic investments than firms in other regions. Also, about 80% of firms surveyed expect that the pandemic will induce the adoption of more environmentally friendly practices. Countries must take these trends into account when designing recovery strategies. UNIDO supports countries around the world to formulate industrial policies that foster industrial circularity and decarbonisation, accelerate industrial digitalization, are inclusive and socially participatory, and integrate robustness and risk management considerations to increase future resilience, building back better through industrial recovery.